everyone, this is Dean from Chase Your Wave Adventures, and today I am visiting an iceberg. Pushing through the fog. Definitely want to get in sport mode for this. It's getting really cold. Hey everyone, welcome to Chase Your Wave Adventures. My name is Dean, and today our adventure takes us to this iceberg. So I'm heading out to see this iceberg. It's one of the first icebergs that came across the shore here in Newfoundland this year in 2026. So definitely got some fog rolling in here. Get on the GPS, look at my charts and see where I'm headed to. Don't want to get lost in the fog, but I'm also going to tuck down a little bit behind the windshield. So I'm still pushing through the fog. You can see it envelop all around me here, and it's actually getting really cold. Officially, this is a bergy bit. Definitely want to get in sport mode for this, in case I need extra throttle real quick. It's unbelievable how cold it is being this close to an iceberg. Always respect safety and respect the throttle response. I don't want to get too close, but from where I'm sitting on my Explorer Pro, you can see this iceberg actively melting. The meltwater is just dripping right off. There's like small waterfalls all around it. See, even locals here in Newfoundland come out every year to check out the icebergs, but of course, a bunch of tourists as well. So welcome, come to Newfoundland and hook up. Let's connect, and I'll take you out to see icebergs, either this year, next year, or whenever you want. What an epic day. All right, everyone, that was a great adventure today. So thanks so much for hanging out with me on my channel. My name is Dean. This is Chase Your Wave Adventures. Hoping to see you on the next wave.